Today I'll be showing you how to make a combination lock, so let's get started. Always you make a door frame, a block with a block of your choice, and then you take an iron door. This will be very good for survival. And then you have to make a wall right here so it can be a little separate. And then you make it how long you want. The more levers you have, the more secure it'll be. For now, I'm not going to use too many. I'm just going to use 4. Make sure it's not here because the wall is right here, so you can't put the lever there. And then you dig like this. Redstone. I want to make my combination lock like this. You put a redstone torch behind every lever. So next, I want to change it. I broke the lever. I want to change the combination, so I want to go like this, like that. So that's my combination lock. You have to put a block like this every time there's a blank space with no redstone torch. And then you take a block of your choice, put it like this, and then this is how it is so far. And then let's try it out. Doesn't work yet. So you have to always do this. So it's connected to this redstone torch. And this one right here has to be here. So that's not it yet. It does not open because this one right here is going to be open like that. So look at the combination lock right here. Just like that. So thanks for watching. This is the combination lock, and see you in the next video.